This incredibly easy recipe for hazelnut s'mores requires no heat at all. No oven, no stove, no microwave, you can make it anywhere. You need half a jar of chocolate hazelnut spread, 1 jar of marshmallow fluff, 7 large graham crackers, and 1 chocolate bar. Set one of the graham crackers aside for later, then break the other 6 in half so that you have 12 squares. Spread each square with about 2 tablespoons of the marshmallow fluff. Next, add 1 tablespoon of chocolate hazelnut spread on top of the marshmallow fluff. Roughly chop the chocolate bar and graham cracker into half-inch chunks. If you happen to have a toaster available, you can brown the graham cracker beforehand to add a hint of toasty flavor to the s'mores. If you want to get really fancy, you could even add crushed hazelnuts. Top the s'mores with the graham cracker and then the chocolate chunks. And they're done! At room temperature, they're gooey and chocolatey just like traditional s'mores, but they're also really good frozen. This recipe makes 12 servings, and it's easy to scale up if you're bringing them to a large gathering. If you are serving them at a party, make sure to set a serving utensil out with them because they can be pretty sticky to pick up. If you enjoyed this recipe and have a second to hit the like button, I'd really appreciate it. Thank you for watching. Bye.